Hello friends, today we are going to create a PHP website and connect it into the mysql database in localhost. Firstly, we need to create database, so I am going to my localhost. After that, I need to go PHP myadmin. There is some database previously I created. Now I am going to the create new one. So this is testdb. There only have user database. I am going to delete this one. Now I am going to create new one. I name it as tut db create. My tut db is create now. So I am going to create student table. It has 4 columns. Next, student. And first one is id. It's init integer type and it will auto increment. Next one is student name. uh, Next one address. Last one telephone number. After that I am going to change type of this field. Student name must be virtual. Length is 100 characters. I think it enough. And virtual address is 255. Telephone, let's put it as 12. That's it. And now I am going to sorry. uh, Now I am going to the save. There is our field and our table is created. Next thing I am going to add some data for our table. So first field is we put it as a auto increment. Then we don't need to add value for it. Student name I put Sean. Next one address. Telephone number I put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Go. It's admin. We insert another one. Address 987654321. Go. Data is added into our table. Now I am going to the create new database. Sorry, new PHP website. So I am going to my xamp folder and htdocs. In here I am going to I already create tut folder. Now I am going to open Visual Studio Code in here. Reason for I am using Visual Studio Code, it is my favorite code editor. I suggest you try it. So I am going to create new PHP file. I name it as index.php. And I create another one. It is connection.php. This is file where our connection is stored. So I am going to create new connection PHP. Syntax, and we need to add variable connection mysql connect. In here we must pass our server server information and our database information. So first one is our server localhost, then our user account name. My user name is root. Then we must pass our password. uh, I my database don't have a password, then I give it as a blank. Then my database name. My database name is tubedb. tubedb. Then I am going to check this is connected or not. Go. This will print our string connection successful. So if not connection is not established, then we need to display error message. So go connection is failed. That's it on connection PHP. Now I am going to create my index PHP. So I am going to press HTML, HTML5. So next thing I am going to use PHP to include our connection. Include con .php. So I am going to run it then check whether it is successful or not. So I'm in localhost syntax error. Connection PHP line 7. So sorry, syntax error. I forgot to put semicolon in here. So now check it. Connection is successful. Connection successful. That means our database is connected to our website. Now I am going to create table for display our data. So I am going to create table, border 2, to then close table, and then we need to add table row tr closing tag, next th table header closing tag. So I'm going to copy and paste it our table rows. How many rows in our tables? id 1 2 3 4. So I am going to put it in 4 times. First one is id, second one is name, third one is address, fourth one is telephone number. Now I'm going to check my table is created or not. I'm going to refresh it and my table is created. Now I am going to the add table, another table row with dummy data. tr closing tag, and here I'm going to create td table data, and I'm going to paste it in 4 times. First one I put some ABC, no, it's id 1 ABC x y z 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is my data. Now I am going to use loop, while loop in here. So I am going to open php and closing tag. In here I am going to name variable as count, count sum 9 5. Now I am going to create while loop which work for count $count 0. Count is greater than 0, then it will run. So I am going to create decrement by count is 1 by 1. So count minus minus semicolon. So I'm going to now close this one in here and start new one in here. php. Then while loop is running, this part is also included into the while loop. So I am put it in here. Now I am going to try this my data using while loop. Now I am going to retrieve data from database. So firstly I need to generate query. I name it as query equal Next thing I'm going to copy query from mysql database. This is my whole select in query. I will paste it in here, and next thing I'm going to do, run it in php. So firstly I need to create variable for catch retrieve data, then mysql query, then we need to pass two arguments in here. First one is connection, which we created in here, and second one is our query. So I passed my connection, second one is my query. Now I retrieve data, so I am going to check whether my data is coming or not. So I am going to word dump dollar data. Let's check data is coming or not. My data is coming as subject for field number for 2. So I am going to now get every row by one row, every rows one by one. So firstly I need to create catch row variable for catch rows, then I use mysql fetch row, and I pass argument as my data variable. Now I have now I don't need to this one, so I am deleting it. Now I have this data, so I am going to print it. We try another word dump. I put it in one. So I am going to run it again. This is my data coming. Now I am going to put one by one in this rows. So I am going to first run get first data in our database php row syntax. Now I am going to echo my row name, row, and it is array. We need to first element in array, so I put 0 in here and semicolon. I am going to copy this one and paste it in here and here and here. So now I am going to change my index numbers. Now we refresh this form and try it. This is my data coming from database, and I am going to remove this one and this one. Our SQL query is now working. I think this is helpful for you. Thank you.